Black Myth Wukong is a 2024 sensation. Inspired by its success and stunning visuals, I 3D printed Sun Wukong's iconic staff and created a short, live-action adaptation to highlight the game's epic and mythological elements. Let's kick off this video with a trip to Ikea. The original model was designed to be fully 3D printed, which, while convenient, would take a long time to print and might not provide the strength needed for its intended cinematic use. To make it more robust and durable, I made several modifications. I incorporated negative space into the design, allowing the model to fit securely over a pole, or in this case, the curtain rod Hugad from Ikea. And now I'm thrilled to announce that we're working with PCBEWay. They're known for their top-notch PCB manufacturing, but they also offer 3D printing, CNC machining, and injection molding services. PCBEWay is the ultimate resource for taking your projects to the next level. And speaking of projects, I'm so excited about the next one that I've decided to give you an exclusive sneak peek. Together with PCBEWay, I'm going to create the armorized Deadpool Iron Man helmet from Do3D, combining two iconic characters into one incredible 3D print.
Smash, reply. Don't forget to subscribe. 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 Smash, reply. Don't forget to subscribe.